Welcome students. Today we are going to learn subject General Science Standard 6. Lesson name Fun with Magnets. In previous video we learned about characteristics of a magnet, magnetism, what is the history of magnet. So here also we see some more another character of a magnet. First character that we learned in the previous video, that is, first character is a magnet always settles in the north south direction. The end of a magnet that points to the north is called north pole, while the end that points to the south is called south pole. But while hung magnet on the stand, that means it is observed a magnet always settles in the north-south direction. It is the first property. Second, the magnetic force is concentrated at the two ends or poles of a magnet. If we take iron fillings in one dish and place a bar magnet into that dish, that there we can observe that iron fillings attracted toward the poles to end the two poles of a magnet and not in the center. So, second property, the magnetic force is concentrated at the two ends of a poles of a magnet. Third property, if a magnet is divided into two parts, two independent magnets are formed. It means that two poles of a magnet cannot be separated from each other. And now, today in this video, we are going to learn some more another property of a magnet. A magnetic material acquires magnetism when placed near a magnet. This magnetism is called induced magnetism. In the picture, we can see how the iron nails attracted towards the magnet. One bar magnet we can see here, and some iron nails, they are having their magnetism around that bar, and that's why moving towards the magnet. As around the bar magnet there is a induced magnetism, so it attracted the nails towards itself. Next property of a magnet, there is a repulsion between like poles of a magnet, while there is attraction between the opposite poles. If we get close the north pole and south pole of the two different magnet get close to each other, then we observe there is attraction. It means that we can infer if opposite poles of magnet, if we get come close to each other, then there we see attraction between the two different poles of a magnet. But if we take near the same pole of magnet, like pole of magnet, for example north north, for example south south, if they come closer to each other, that time we observe there is a repulsion between the like poles of a magnet. So property, there is a repulsion between like poles and attraction between opposite poles. Next, electromagnet. Magnetism is produced in an iron nail due to the electric current. As the electric cell, that is a battery cell, is attached to the copper wire which is coiled to that particular iron nail, when we put off the current flowing through a battery, the magnetism vanish. Such a magnet is called electromagnet. It is a electromagnet that this magnetism is temporary. Next, maglev train. The properties of electromagnetism and repulsion between the magnets are used in maglev train. Due to the repulsion between the train and the rail, the force of friction does not come into play and the train slides over the rails with a great speed. How is magnetism destroyed? Magnetism gets destroyed when a magnet is heated, thrown, knocked about, or broken into pieces. Therefore, it is important to store magnet carefully. The bar of soft or pure iron protect a magnet. Therefore, such a bar is called a magnet keeper. Thank you.